Hey Orange, it's been a while since we've gone railfanning, so guess where we're going today?
Oh, hi, Spy 27, dare I ask?
We're going to the Stratford station on Metro North New Haven line, which is one stop after Milford where we went once last year. Well, first is New Haven where we haven't been yet, and then is West Haven where we've been a million times, then Milford, and then Stratford where we're gonna go today. Okay, let's go.
Alright, Orange, we made it.
According to the schedules, while we're here, it looks like we're going to get to see 2 Metro North trains and 2 Amtrak trains. So let's just go up to the platform and wait for them to come. Metro North train, I didn't know about this one, so I guess it's 3 Metro Norths and 2 Amtraks. Say hello, train. And there it goes. Say goodbye. And now we continue to wait for more. I think the next one should be Amtrak coming in the same direction from that way, coming down here. I guess Amtrak must be running late again, as it sometimes does. It should be coming from here, like, any second now. But anyways, here comes another Metro North on the other side, so let's just watch it. As this train is here, I'll keep watch to see if that Amtrak comes. Here it comes, Orange, your favorite Amtrak. See it? Right there. So instead we got a train meet between Metro North and Amtrak. There goes the Metro North. And here comes the Amtrak. Say hi to your favorite Amtrak, Orange. And there it goes. Just watch it for a minute. Okay, now, pretty soon there should be another Amtrak train coming from that direction. Then there also is going to be another Metro North coming in this direction where that Amtrak train just came from, but they just said it's going to be a few minutes late, so I don't know if I'll want us to wait around for it. But let's just at least wait a few more minutes to see if that Amtrak train comes. If it doesn't, then we'll just leave. Here it comes! I think that's the first time we ever got to see that. 2 Amtraks within a minute of each other. But yeah, let's not bother to wait for that Metro North train. Like, at least we get to see 2 of them, except they weren't exactly the 2 that I was thinking were one. Then we saw 2 Amtraks, so I think that's good enough. So let's go. Then maybe we'll do another railfanning again sometime soon.